Okay, this is a great little life hack. I love it. So, popcorn, if made the right way, can be a very guiltless snack and cost you practically nothing. You don't need any special equipment. All you simply need is a brown paper bag, like lunch size. You need some popcorn kernels and a microwave. So, all you simply do if you want to make it a low calorie, high fiber, low fat, just take a third of a cup of uncooked kernels, pour it in that little brown paper bag, fold it up twice, very tiny, like this, about a half an inch, and stick it in the microwave anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the strength of your microwave. And guess what? It's gonna pop it, and you're gonna have your microwave popcorn look just like that. And if you want to add toppings, you can. You can have fun with it. If you want to add some oil, add some sugar, add some different things to it before you pop it, that'll turn out flavored popcorn. Anyways, I'll have the full recipe on my blog. Just head to smartshopperdaphne.com. Have a fantastic weekend, and don't forget, I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.